Hello guys, welcome back. This is problem 7-1 on page 345, similar to the one we did on homework number 9. Okay, see, we have a simple supported beam but with two forces of 10K. Okay, and like I said for the first one, first thing to do is free body diagram. Okay, and I have my free body diagram that is A, Y, and B, and you know what to do. And second, the reaction of forces. So from this structure, you see it's 10, 10, and the distance is the same, 5, 5, 5. Automatically, A is gonna be 10, and dy is gonna be 10, 10K. But you can solve it. You can calculate the way we did on the first problem, the previous problem. You're gonna see that it's the same. Now let's go see what the shear and moment diagram. Okay, so first cat we have AA, BB, and CC. So the first one is gonna be from 0 to 5, and the second is gonna be from 5 to 10, and then to 10 to 15. So it's the same thing like we did in the previous exercise. First cut, AA, we got 10K, that is here, 10K. A is 10K, okay? So 10K, and we cut it in V. So X is the distance from 10K to the cat. So here we see that the summation of force in y direction is going to give the V is 10K because we have V, so plus 10 minus V is 0, so V is 10. And the moment at the cat AA is the same, 10 times X from the distance, and 10 is minus because it's moving clockwise. So I have minus 10 plus M equals 0. And that's minus, so M equals 10X. Now, from 0 to 5, we have is X is 0, M is 0. If X is 5, M is 10 times 5, and give you 50. Okay? So you got V 10 and M 0 to 50 from the first section. Second section, BB, it's the same. We have 10 and 10, and we have V. So we go from here, what we have. From here, there's 10, and then we have another 10K, and we have our cut BB. So what we have the same here. So this 10 going downward, so the V gotta go upward. Okay, and the moment, excuse me. So summation of force on y direction is 0. We have 10K minus 10, 10 going upward, minus 10 going downward, plus V equals 0. So 10 minus 10 is 0, so we know that from 5 to 10, V is 0. Okay, now summation of moment at BB here at the cat. What we have? We have 10, the force clockwise is minus 10 times the distance is X, and plus 10, this 10 here, K, is moving counterclockwise. That's why we have plus, but the distance is from here to the cat, it's X minus 5. That's why I have X minus 5 as the distance. So plus M equals 0, okay? So if you solve this equation, you're gonna have that M equals 50K, okay? So 10X, 10 times X is 10X, 10 times 5 is minus 50 because of the minus there. So M is 50K, K feet, okay? So you go to section CC, here from 10 to 15. So we are here from 10 to 15, okay? And so our cut is somewhere is here. So we have 10K, we have 10, we have 10. Okay, the distance is 5, 5. That's what we have here. 10, 10, and 10. The distance 5, 5. We have the same thing. And our cut is here. And always from the origin 0 to the cut, the distance is x because we don't know it. Okay, but the other distances we know. So, and summation of forces at y direction is plus 10 minus 10 minus 10 plus v equals 0. That's what I have here. Plus 10 minus 10 minus 10 plus v equals 0. So v is 10k. I know from 10 to 15, v is 10k. Okay? Now, summation of the moment, cc, our cut cc equals 0. And what we have minus 10, always, because 10 is going, again, is moving counterclockwise from the k. So that's why we have m 10 minus, and x is the distance, plus 10 plus y, because this is moving counterclockwise, is plus, and the distance is x minus 5. That's the distance here from here to that is x minus 5. It's a distance here, and plus this 10 here, the 10, and the distance is x minus this distance here, 10. So that's why minus 10 plus m equals 0. If you solve this equation, what you have 10x minus 10x plus 10x minus 50 plus 10x minus 100, 10 times 10 plus m equals 0. So you got minus 150 plus 10x plus m equals 0, and m is, when minus 150 go the other side, it become plus, and plus 10 it go the other side, it go minus 10. So the equation is m equal 150 minus 10x, okay, from 10 to 15. So if x is 10, moment is 150 minus 10 times 10. And the answer is 50k. Again, here you see, if x is 10, the moment is 50k feet. And we have the same thing here. Okay, we have the same thing, that m is 50k. So if x is 15, m is 150 minus 10 times 15, that is there, and the answer is 0. Okay, so having all information we need, you go to draw your shear and moment diagram. Okay, and v is always, if it's v, it's up here is plus, and down is minus. Okay, so we know that from 0 to 5, my v is 10k. If it's positive, so from here, from 0 I go 10k upward. And I know from 0 to 5, I have 10k. That's why I have 10k from 0 to 5. And from 5, I have a 10k going down. So from 5, I go down to 10, and I go back to 0. Okay? And from 5 to 10, the calculation gave me what we have here. From 5 to 10, v is 0. So I go there, I know from 5 to 10, my v is 0. That's why I go till 10, 0. And from 10, I know that I have a force 10 going down. So from 10, I go down to 10, right there, okay? And the calculation showed me that from 10 to 15, from 10 to 15, v is 10k. So from 10 to 15, I have 10, but it's negative because from the force going down here. From 0, I go down to 10, okay? And that's how I have my shear diagram, okay? And I go, for the moment, I do the same. From this section here, 0 to 5, I know if x is 0, m is 0. If x is, what would I have here? If x is 0, m is 0. Okay? If x is 5, m is 50. Okay? That's why for x is 5, m is 50. It's upward because it's positive. Okay? And then from 0, I go to 50. Now, from 5 to 10, what they say that from 5 to 10, my m is from 5 to 10. What is it here? From 5 to 10, my m is 50k. So from 5 to 10, I'm at 50. It's constant. It doesn't move. Okay? And from 10 to 15, at 15, my moment is 0. At 15, my moment is 0. Okay? So I stop there, 0. That's how I have my moment diagram. Okay? So, and like we say the same thing, this 50k is the area of formed by this rectangle or that one. Because 10, the distance is 5. 10, 5 times 10 give you 50. Okay, that's where 50 over there. And here too, 5 times 10 give you 50. So from here is 50, from here is 50. Okay, so that's how you get your moment diagram. And I know I apologize again for my English, but if you look at how I solve this, follow the step, and the exam is gonna be very easy for you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.